Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So, this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of polity. So the first question is, Rule of Law Index is released by which of the following? Option A, Amnesty International. Option B, International Court of Justice. Option C, the Office of UN Commissioner for Human Rights. Option D, World Justice Project. So you can just pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option D, World Justice Project. So this topic was in news during 2018 March. So the World Justice Project released its Rule of Law Index report, which measures the extent to which 113 countries have adhered to the rule of law in that period. So that time India's rank was 62, better than China, Pakistan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh, and Denmark occupied the top spot. So these type of questions can be repeated in upcoming prelims examination, like which index is published by which organization. So you can read about organizations as well, like Amnesty International. What is it? What is this organization all about? So what are its roles and responsibilities, functions? So you can read about that as well, about International Court of Justice and another body, the Office of UN Commissioner for Human Rights. You can read about these topics as well for holistically coverage of these topics. So this was all about question number one. Now let us discuss question number second. In India, judicial review implies option A, the power of the judiciary to pronounce upon the constitutionality of laws and executive orders. B, the power of the judiciary to question the wisdom of the laws enacted by the legislatures. Option C, the power of the judiciary to review all the legislative enactments before they are assented to by the president. Option D, the power of the judiciary to review its own judgments given earlier in similar or different cases. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option A. So judicial review means the power of Supreme Court or High Court to examine the constitutionality of any law. So option A is the most fitting option. So actually this topic is extremely important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. In 2014 or 15, UPSC has already asked question on judicial review, and in 2020 prelims also UPSC framed one question, one statement about judicial review. The statement was like that the Constitution of India has mentioned judicial review, has explained judicial review. Such statement was that. So you can refer that statement from 2020 prelims question paper. So you can clearly see the importance of judicial review topic, and it is important for mains examination as well. So you can read about this topic in detail. So let us now discuss question number 3. With reference to the consumer's rights or privileges under the provision of law in India, which of the following statements is or are correct? Option statement first, consumers are empowered to take samples for food testing. Second, when a consumer files a complaint in any consumer forum, no fee is required to be paid. Third, in case of death of a consumer, his or her legal heir can file a complaint in the consumer forum on his or her behalf. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3, C, 1 and 3, D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, 1 and 3. So consumers are empowered to take samples for food testing. In case of death of a consumer, his or her legal heir can file a complaint in the consumer forum on his or her behalf. So you can read about Consumer Protection Act as well. So this is also the associated topic of this question. So you can read about the consumer rights and what are their natural rights, what are the rights that is guaranteed by the constitution, and what are the rights that is guaranteed by the statutory laws. So you can read about that as well. So now discuss question number 4. In India, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoined by. So this question was asked in 2020 prelims examination. So I am telling you the options. First, the preamble of the constitution. Second, a directive principle of state policy. Third, the seventh schedule. Fourth, the conventional practice. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B, a DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. So Article 36 to Article 51 of our Constitution deals with the DPSP. Within that, Article 50 prescribes separation of judiciary from executive. So you can quote this article in mains examination as well, that this is written in Article 50 of the Indian Constitution, that judiciary should be separated from executive. So you can utilize the knowledge of prelims in mains examination as well. So in this way you can utilize that knowledge. So in this way prelims preparation helps in mains preparation as well. So let us now discuss question number 5. With reference to National Legal Services Authority, consider the following statements. First, its objective is to provide free and competent legal services to the weaker section of the society on the basis of equal opportunity. Second, it issues guidelines for the state legal services authorities to implement the legal programs and schemes throughout the country. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, you can tell your answer in the comment section. So, the answer of this question is option C, both 1 and 2. So, NALSA has been constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 to provide free legal services to the weaker section of the society and to organize lok adalats for amicable settlement of disputes. In every state legal services authority has been constituted to give effect to the policies and directions of the NALSA and to give free legal services to the people and conduct lok adalats in the state. So this theme of NALSA and free legal service, so this theme is extremely important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you should have knowledge about that, in under which article free legal services provision is there in the constitution, whether it is in preamble, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, or in directive principle of state policy. You should know about that, and you should also know whether it was in original constitution or it was added by some constitutional amendment act. And you should also know about this, and you should also know who are the beneficiaries uh, of this service, of this act. So in 2020 prelims examination, UPSC asked question about the beneficiaries of free legal aid. So UPSC framed 4 statements, and UPSC was asking about your knowledge on this topic. So statement were given like who are the eligible for this free legal service. The option was like that transgenders, old people, and economically weaker section. So statement was framed like this. So you can refer that question as well from 2020 prelims question paper. So that's it about this video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.